Test center is very important for us. Since beginning of the company, we have had the idea that we have a model factory where we can test prototypes. Test center is able to test 15 megawatt and higher powers of the machines and the converters. And this is really where the industry is going.
We have very strong knowledge developing high power drivetrains here in Finland, and this investment gives us possibility to develop them even further. When it comes, for example, wind, this is one of the largest test centers in the world.
When you want to develop new solutions, for example, for wind power drives, you really need test facilities to test your theoretical results with the real devices. Renewable energy is one of the key factors to reach sustainable energy. Wind turbines have been very important and they are under continuous development. This test center is creating a great environment to make experimental research and develop new products for renewable energy, especially for wind turbines.
With this test center, we can test new designs very fast because the infrastructure is already there. Also, we can now offer longer-term tests like reliability tests, which typically take several months, and that wouldn't be possible without a dedicated test bench like this. We can really make type testing for large power PM machines without a need to build a product-specific test benches. We can also offer test services for third-party products.
So we want to make sure that we are doing, ever-increasing powers of offshore. We can make possible, from our part, ever bigger wind turbines. Got to stay up with the powers.